Okay, Gareth and me are in Kalamata right now. We got here today. We've got a lovely view of the seaside and a very grumpy cat outside our window. Gareth and me are gonna have a date night. We're gonna go out and treat ourselves after this long ass journey. This cat is so adorable.
He knows what he's doing. See him now. What? Come here then, come here. I'll show you. I can't even get to it, but the cat's not even bothered by you, but just like, yeah. If I was out there, oh, I'd show you a good time, cat. Oh, when I'm stuck here.
Well, that was a car journey from hell, but look at this view. Oh my word. Veg, and this is all fruit. Veg, fruit, veg, fruit. Per day. Healthy. Hashtag healthy veg choices. Today, Gareth and me are just in Kalamata, downtown. We're just headed to this really cute little coffee place called Luna's Lounge. I really hope it's open today though, because it is Sunday after all. The weather isn't...
Well, it's raining.
Well, that's shit, yeah. And it's going to stay like that for the next few days, but
it gives us an excuse to light our little...
light a little fireplace.
Yeah.
Show me your tongue, Daisy, show me your tongue, girl. Hey!
Hello! So, it's Wednesday evening and Gareth and me are headed to a place called PLATEA. It's a little food place which has been recommended to our landlady, and also we walked past it the other day and it was actually heaving, so we're very excited. Gareth is starving, me,
as always.
not so much. I think I'm going to be consuming many liquid calories tonight, and also there is a drink called the Diamond Liz, and if there is a drink named after me, obviously I'll have to try it, so I'm very excited. the 1st of December and Gareth and me are literally chilling at a beach. What a crazy winter, hey? This beach is kind of like a bay. You kind of have an amazing view of the cliffs, of a castle. I think it's actually a palace.
Oh, is it?
I think so. Palace of bloody blah. Loving it. Loving life right now. It's really lovely, isn't it, Daisy? She's always really underappreciative, to be honest, ever since we got her. Sunday. I'm feeling a bit poorly today, but Gareth's feeling better. We're just headed out to go to a place called Messini. Messini is one of the most important archaeological sites at the moment in Greece, because they're just discovering all of the stuff that's underneath the ground right now. There's an amphitheater and lots of thrones, temples, etc. It's not really a place that's really talked about that much, to be honest, but I'm sure it's still going to be nice. We're getting a bit of culture in today.
So, it's Gareth Cam now, because unfortunately dogs were not allowed here in Messini. So I've come in here by myself, and Lisa's walking the dogs. So Lisa's taking them for a little stroll around. But it's super cool here. As you can see, I'm already walking down this amazing theatre, I guess. And it looks so freaking cool. You can actually walk around on this thing. You can come down here and just have a look at everything. Oh my god, look at this. Like some ancient freaking writing on here. It's really, really cool. There's Lisa way up in the distance. Let's see if I can zoom in on her. There she is. They're still obviously excavating right now, and you're just allowed to walk around. I guess these are like houses where houses used to be. There's no health and safety, by the way. I'm able to just have a walk around here. I'm actually walking on the wall. I thought it was the theatre that we just looked at, but apparently the theatre's this way. So I don't know what it was that I just looked at. Oh god, there's some people coming. But I'll find out. This is probably the equivalent of their TV, right? Because everyone used to walk down here and watch some stuff in the evening. Again, you're allowed to just walk around as much as you like, which is pretty freaking awesome. Some dude's checking me out because I'm talking to the camera. Probably thinks I'm a right freak. So I just nearly fell over. Oh, we just ran all the way through the whole freaking ruins to get back here because Lisa was walking the dogs and she wanted to see the temple as well. Oh, we got 15 minutes till it closes, so, but we made it. And what do you think, Lisa?
Amazing.
Yeah, it's great, right?
Is that Tomb Raider?
Tomb Raider. Which one? Tomb Raider 1, of course. It's Lara Croft on her next Tomb Raider mission.
It was worth it. It was
Worth the chase, huh?
such a kick out of history. It's Wednesday. It's one of the last few days here in Kalamata, and what feels like also one of the last few days of sunshine, to be honest. It's got considerably cooler over the last couple of days.
There's like a right weirdo in the picture.
That's probably the last you're gonna hear from us until we get to our next destination, which will be in Laconia, which is even more down south, and then we're gonna head to Athens for the big New Year's Eve and Christmas shenanigans. For now, toodaloo. Toodaloo!
With you all in white and that being red, it does look a bit like a detergent commercial. And that's what I said to him. It's Wednesday, not Thursday. It's just amazing. Really, really beautiful. Even though there's some dudes trying to do some fucking parkour or some bullshit.
Well, it was a really good idea to have that bottle of wine on a sober stomach. You coming, G? Yeah. G unit?